How do you pronounce the name of this Canadian-American rock band from Las Vegas originally? We'll be looking at how to say more names of legends from music. Stay tuned. Palaye Royal. I know the spelling is a bit confusing, not Palaye Royale. Palaye Royal. How do you pronounce the name of this Canadian-American rock band from Las Vegas originally? We'll be looking at how to say more names of legends from music. Stay tuned. Palaye Royal. I know the spelling is a bit confusing, not Palaye Royale. Palaye Royal. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.